I swear every time I try to film, the sun messes it up. Hey guys, it's Kel, and welcome back to my channel, and today we are throwing it back old school. He does that in every single video, doesn't he, at the start? But anyway, today we are going to be vlogging. I have not vlogged in a while, and I've always really enjoyed vlogging, so I figured since I was actually doing something today, that I would vlog it. We are going to be taking some birds to the bird loft in Amherst, Ohio for some grooming. If you are in Ohio, definitely check out the bird loft in Amherst, Ohio. I will link their information down in the description box. But they are a really amazing, I'm like moving out of the way of the sun. They are a really amazing shop. They raise some of the best hand-raised baby birds. They are just, I love that shop. They are definitely one of my favorite parrot shops out there. So check them out. And I figured, why not bring you along since some birds need to go get some grooming. And I figured I would bring you guys along and do a classic vlog. So let's get going. Figured I would show you guys my outfit today. Don't mind my dirty mirror, but it is pretty basic. I'm just wearing my black bike boots that I wear like every day, black leggings, this flannel, and a tank top underneath. Hair is just waved. Got my Ray-Ban glasses on, and yeah, that is my outfit of today. And I'm gonna go get the carriers prepped for the birds to go get some grooming done. So I only got 3 birds here today that need to be taken in for grooming. We got this little cage for Tequila, the lovebird. I put a little piece of millet in there for her. I got this big one for Paulie, the blue crown conure. I put some millet in there again. And one of these, this is like one of his favorite toys. He'll just sit there and like chew on it. So I figured maybe that'll keep him entertained. And then I got this cool stripey container for Rio, one of my green cheek conures. And same thing, a little millet spray. And these 3 are going to be going to get some grooming. Also, I just got this book today, which I'm super excited. Because if you didn't know, I am a 4th Italian, and I wanted to start reading more about, you know, Italian magic and my heritage, the magic of my heritage. So I just got this, and I'm super excited to start reading it. And I might even do a review on this once I've read the whole thing, and I might even talk about it. So we'll see. But, yep. We're going to be leaving soon. I just got their carriers ready, and we're going to be leaving soon, and I'm going to vlog. Alright, so we got some birdies that need grooming here. We got Paulie, who is definitely not too happy. We got Rio. Yeah, Paulie needs his beak done. We got Rio over here, and little Miss Tequila, who is not very happy herself. And we're going to go get these guys loaded up in the car and hit the road. So we are on the road. There is Paulie and Rio back there, not looking too happy. And we have little needy girl right here on my lap. What are you guys doing? Poor Paulie has to get his beak trimmed. Sorry, Screech Nation.
Payback's a bitch.
Poor Rio has a problem with getting car sick. It's okay, Rio. We just got in the car. You can't already be getting sick.
He's a little wuss.
Aw. Yeah, it's gonna be okay. We got you, Paulie. Got stuck by a train. Already. Poor Rio. You still getting car sick back there, Ree? It's okay, baby. It's okay, baby. It's okay, princess. It's okay. Poor thing. Forget your mask, and we are heading on into the shop.
Be good, real.
All right, there's little Missy. Grab my purse here. Car floor is dirty. Got little lady, and mom here has got the other two. And in we go. Cute. Hello. Hi. Aren't you just the cutest little baby? Hi, babies. Hi. Aren't you just the prettiest girl? He is. What do we have in here, my babies? Look at all the babies. Oh, look at all the babies. There's baby lovies. I know, I like those. I like those a lot. Christmas idea. Oh, you do? Breaking the place up. Yeah. Are you a baby Paulie? You are so beautiful. Look at you. You're so beautiful. Hi, cuties. Look how cute you are. Oh, you're so adorable. Little baby. Alrighty. We got everybody groomed. We are back in the car. Missy's still pacing. These two are mad. Oops, I need to flip Paulie's around. But everybody's done being groomed. And now my mother's in there Christmas shopping for the birds. Hi, pretty girl. Hi. How are you? Did you get your nails cut? Did you get those nails cut? Yeah, you're so pretty. You are so pretty.
That whole thing just fits right on top of your stove.
What happened, guys? Oh, you both look so unhappy. Look how ruffled you are. Oh, so cute. Yeah, you sleepy now? That was a lot of stuff to happen to one little birdie, huh? How about your beak, bro? You feeling good? No? I have some very unhappy birdies. Yeah. We're home though. Hi, Paulie. Hi, Paulie. Oh, poor boy. Yeah. Did they have to trim your beak? Focus. Yeah, poor baby. Got it? This is so hard to do one-handed. Hi, Rio. Oh, you're mad at me? There. You're so mad at me. You'll get over it. You're so mad. You're so mad. And last but not least, hi, princess. Little princess. Alright, so we are back home now. That was a 2-hour round trip drive plus a half-hour at the bird shop getting their nails and wings and beaks. Well, Paulie had to have his beak trimmed. The other ones just had their nails done. Yeah, we are back home and did some Christmas shopping for the birdies. So they have some fun stuff. I know it's early, but... And yeah, that's it for me today, guys. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. And until next time, bye.